All right. It's Sunday. And anybody knows me, I don't really be running around here hyping up shoes. But I will say on this one, grab them before they go up. Hit my intro, and when we come back, we are going to talk about it.
And they say if we'll only avoid any confrontation with the enemy, he'll forget his evil ways and learn to love us. All who oppose.
All right. As always, I have to welcome my family with one great big love. Oh man, that was a short one. What is in the air around here? I'd like to welcome my new subscribers, continued subscribers. Thank you for tapping in with me. Make sure you hit that thumbs up, like, subscribe, share. And like I always say, we're trying to hit 10K by the holidays so I can do my giveaway, right? I'm probably gonna do like 2 or 3. So tell a family member, friend of a friend, so I can get it in. Also go follow the sister with the Retro Queen, the bro MCFLYKOF, and check us out on Who Has the Heat, YouTube, IG, respectively. We just did our pairing for season 12 yesterday. Can't wait. We got some bangers for the first round, so it could easily be championship battle. So make sure y'all go over there and tap in with us on Who Has the Heat. We just got a little over 1,000 subscribers, all that good stuff. Check us out every Saturday at 8:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We always have a great time. Now, like I said, I was on the fence of these shoes. I'm glad I grabbed them. It's rarely a shoe that you can justify, but the thing about this shoe is actually $200 retail before the alleged quote-unquote tariffs kicked in, and shoes are $210, $215, $220, $225. This shoe actually probably deserves to be at least $215, $220 because of the materials. And the video or the on feet does not do it justice. You need to hold these shoes in your hands to get the appreciation for this shoe. Now, if you don't know, I am late. I was on vacation. I got these late. So, hey, you're going to get it. And whoever watch it, watch. I appreciate it. Whether it's one person, 2 people, 10, 20, 100, I appreciate all. But without further ado, here we go with the Seoul 2.0 bars. All right, size 10. I went true to size 10 men, 11.5 women, Fisher colorway, white, black, sport, royal, all of that good stuff. Like I said, these were $200 retail. Even the box kind of got this feel like a cement or whatever they did. And then you got the clouds, because you know it's representing Korea. All right, then you open it up. You got all this stuff. Got my Go Sticker Wicker. I appreciate you. I guess I'm part of the team, or the Go team, always getting invited to exclusive. So I got a real exclusive shoe coming pretty soon. Team early, 3 months early, I think this shoe. Maybe even 4 months early, 3 or 4 months early. But nonetheless, we'll get into it when we get it. But you see this little box, it make you feel all special inside. So lovely, so nice. It's all laced up, feeling like a present, like you about to open some special, making us feel special. Jordan brand, I tell you. You got this paper here, and see it like so. You got this little stuff on the paper here, kind of underneath. Should be looking like this. This must be what all the extra $5 is doing, because they always wrapping these shoes individually. You know what? I can do with all this paper. I guess I did it to keep the shoe from bleeding. But at the end of the day, depending on how you store it, it could be sticking to all your shoes, all right? I mean, they got this wrapped up like a Subway sandwich. Jeez. Wrapped up. Get out of there, paper. Get out of there. All right, there we go. Then you got your green sticker whip in here, letting you know about the suede, about this materials. And here we go. bang and bang. All right, I gotta change that. I think somebody else said bang and bang. I think foam or somebody said I need to change it up. Now these are a far cry from the original Seoul. They're all white. That probably would drive me crazy, but for a decent price, now that I have these, I would like to have those, right? But it's just so white, I don't put protection on the bottom of the shoes, but I probably would have to put outsole protectors. Now, as you can see, these shoes, you get a little spinneroonie. You got your Nike thing sticking there, the hang tag, spin, 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 spin. You see underneath the bottom how it's different. The Seoul Games. Now look at this material. Let me let you get up close and personal. Just look at that stankle rankle. Look at that suede. Not your traditional cement, but whew, boy. Like I said, I don't hype shoes up a lot, but I forgot. I know a lot of people don't like this aged midsole, but this actually has something to do with Korea, so that's why they had this aged midsole. So with that being said, if you got a story to go with it, I ain't mad at it. I mean, you still may not like it, but I understand it. Also, they've been doing this later to protect the back tab on the shoe. So as you already know, 3, 4, 5, 6 Tinker Hatfield shoes with the air unit. I don't know, for this one, it seems like the air unit kind of small, but when you see through on the shoe, you can see the blue. Got a small widow's peak here on the toe, but just look at that leather. Woo, boy, look at that rankle, stankle. You got that perforated holes coming up. Then you get the blue. You got the age there on the eyelet, and you got the Korea. Now, so on this one, the tongue is not all fatty fat, right? It's not too high up, but it's good enough. Got your hang tag. Should I rock these with the hang tag, or should I leave them on? I might have to go back old school, right? Because back in the day, we used to rock the shoes with the hang tag. All right? Now, bang! With that Nike Air on the ass. A lot of people like that. I mean, as the older I get, I guess it depends on the shoe. It really doesn't matter. Like a lot of people talking about the Black Cat 4 with the Nike Air. I think it's because the OG one was made with the Jumpman. I probably would prefer that. But hey, you know, it is what it is. Beggars can't be choosy. All right, then on here, what is this? Velvet? Got this hits here. Got this look. All nice and so soft, so lovely. Then you go inside here. I don't know, I might not do a lace swap on these. I think these might be all right. What do you guys think? Should I go with something like a blue or kind of like a velvet pinkish? We'll see. You see how that goes. Inside, you just got your traditional Nike Air insole. And then under the tongue, you have some of your writing here. Seoul, this might mean Seoul 3. Or somebody let me know, I forgot to do the check actually what that means. But it is nice and soft here. So it's definitely a premium feeling shoe that you could have got for the low price of $200, which is rare. So that's why I said, everyone, get in where you fit in, all right? You won't be disappointed. Now, I also noticed on this shoe here, the cuts, you can see it's a little bit more defined on that line there. You can see it more defined on here. Not as defined, you probably can't see it, but I can see it. Let me see what else we got. And an interesting thing, right? You got that air unit is blue. This one is red to go along with the red outsole, which is pretty dope. And then on the tongue, you should have your Jumpman instead of the Seoul. No hang tag. Let me see on there as well. So, I mean, overall, man, I can't tell you. I mean, I'm glad I caught these. I changed my mind at the last minute. I didn't pay but I think $50 over resale or retail, whatever you want to call it. And this is definitely a good shoe to add to the collection. If you don't do nothing but just collect it, all right? It's very dope. Like I said, I don't know for what reason. Maybe how some people rocking it. It just don't look right. But I am gonna try with different laces in them. And then of course we don't have the traditional shoe tree like we have. We just have the stuffing. So Jordan brand, instead of all this done, what is this, Subway sandwich paper, I would prefer to have the shoe trees to keep the shoe intact. to keep the integrity of the shoe. Now, with that being said, on a scale of 5, you already know 3 is failing. So, let's see. Spin it again. Look at that. You know what? Even me paying resale, I ain't gonna care. Y'all know I'm big on 4s, but I gotta give this shoe a Five out of 5. Don't know what that means? 5 out of 5. It is a dope sneaker. And we can agree to disagree. For those of you who copped it, you're still on the fence. Like I said, cop these now while they are low. I can't see no reason why these shoes shouldn't go up. If you're just comparing these with the Rare Air 3, it is no comparison. It is night and day. So again, it is what it is. And if you can find it for the low, cop this shoe. Other than that, thanks for all the love and support. Until the next time, we out. Peace.